I keep coming across insanely valuable YouTube videos from agency owners, and they're sitting at like 47 views. And I'm just thinking, you've already done the hard part. You recorded the video, you delivered the value, the content is actually good, and now the only thing that's left is your thumbnail. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can make thumbnails that get the click, using real examples from our clients and other channels. But before we get into it, I'm Alex. I'm the founder of Decima Labs. Last year alone, we produced 150 long-form videos for more than 10 agency owners. Those videos generated hundreds of thousands of views, brought in direct leads from YouTube, and opened up a new revenue stream for our clients. But none of that would have happened if we never get the click. All the views, leads, revenue, none of that would have happened. So it all starts with one thing: getting the click. Before we get into thumbnails, let's be clear about something. Your thumbnail is not the only thing that affects views. Your title matters, thumbnail matters, upload schedule matters, first few seconds people see when they hover over or scroll matters, because videos on YouTube have an autoplay feature now. So when you hover over the video, you already start watching the video, and that does count as a view. So that is the moment where they decide, do I click this or not? But even before that, for your video to even get shown to these people who will decide whether they should click it or not, your description, your tags, your publishing location, video language, niche, strategy, previous videos, performance, all of that plays a role. So don't think thumbnails will magically fix everything if you don't optimize for the other elements. But if your content is good and people are not clicking, then your thumbnail is very likely one of those bottlenecks. So let's go through the principles that will make your thumbnail click-worthy, especially for business and educational content. I started my career in the marketing space as a graphic designer, so I can safely say that I have a bit of understanding in the design principles. All right, think of this as your checklist. Most thumbnails are too busy. All you need is one subject, one supporting visual, and one clear idea. Your thumbnail needs to be recognizable instantly. Use bright versus dark colors to separate the subject. If you're using light color in the objects, use a dark background. Vice versa, if you're using dark objects, use a white background. Does it pass the squint test? A large portion of your viewers will be on mobile. So zoom out, squint your eyes, and if you can't see it clearly, then it won't work. Don't let the text or faces get cut off. If you're a beginner, just use preview tools like TubeBuddy to see how your thumbnail will appear on each device type. We actually have a safe zone template that we use. You can develop something like this, or after a while, you'll just develop a sixth sense for it. When it comes to text, keep it simple. 5 to 6 words max, and then 2 lines max, and use complementary fonts. People are lazy. They're not reading your paragraph. Also, another mistake I keep seeing is that your thumbnail text should not repeat your title. It should add curiosity or contrast to support your title. Clean fonts win. Some solid combos would be these. Use one for structure and one for emphasis. Keep it consistent across your channel. And people always ask, what color should I use? Use your brand colors, then add contrast. That's what we do for every single client. This creates consistency, recognition, separation from everybody else, and most importantly, it builds your brand. Just one last point, really quick. Don't obsess over putting your face in the thumbnail, especially when you're just starting out on YouTube, because people don't know you yet. So your face doesn't add any real value to the viewer unless you're already known. Someone like Alex or Mozi or Iman Ghazi launching a new channel, they should absolutely use their faces. But when you launch your own channel, don't obsess over putting your face. What actually matters is this: show the result, show the value. That's what gets the click. Over time, as your channel grows and you build authority, then your face starts to matter. The thumbnail that you click to watch this video right now did not have my face on it because I don't matter in the YouTube world yet. Hopefully I get the click, and then you get to spend some time watching my videos and you get more familiar with my face. Then, only then, after 10, 20, maybe 30,000 subscribers, when I do start to use my face, then you click because I posted a new video and you actually want to hear from me. We actually tested it with one of our clients whose audience on YouTube was relatively smaller. So we tried a very simple thumbnail trick, as you can see. Well, if you follow the principles I just mentioned, you are already ahead of 99% of the creators. Before I finish up, I wanted to mention a quick technical update with YouTube thumbnails. YouTube just increased the thumbnail size limit to 50 megabytes. Before it was 2 megabytes. And they made the suggested video thumbnails bigger. So that obviously means higher resolution, better quality images, which I believe they're going after the TV and streaming market share. So feel free to export your thumbnails higher quality, because that's what YouTube wants. All right, that's your full guide to thumbnails, especially for business and educational content. If you're an agency owner with the real results you want to share and you understand the value of YouTube long form, we are your reliable long-term YouTube growth partner. Check the first link in the description to speak to me, and we'll just talk about your business, your offer, to see if we're a good fit. And trust me, if YouTube is not your thing, I'll tell you directly, which I have done in the past, and I've refused clients because they were not ready for YouTube. So I'll just be very honest with you. And that was it for this video. So let's get to work now.